A new Autel drone and Nest accessories were launched at CES 2023 in Las Vegas today. The EVO Max 4T is Autel's newest offering for both enterprise and prosumer applications. With EVO Max 4T, Autel is featuring advanced autonomy and AI features, compared with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to make the new Autel drone safer and easier to fly. The EVO Max 4T also offers anti-interference capability, RFI/EMI/GPS, for safer operation in high-interference environments like urban areas. For professional drone operators and enterprise users, the EVO Max 4T has a versatile payload bay allowing pilots to choose from a wide range of sensors for a wide range of applications. The company is focusing on search and rescue, firefighting, public safety, mapping and inspection applications. In addition, Autel is featuring an enterprise app. Enterprise app is specifically designed to revolutionize the cooperation between drones and pilots, says the EVO Max 4T press release. This drone can perform multiple semi-autonomous flight missions, autonomous pathfinding, live streaming, and target acquisition, and also includes various smart accessibility features. 3 great cameras for high-quality imaging plus intelligent functions. The EVO Max 4T comes with 3 high-quality cameras. A 48MP telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, 160x digital zoom, and a half CMOS sensor. A 50MP wide-angle camera with a January 1, 28-inch CMOS sensor and 3840 by 2160 video resolution. An infrared camera with a 640 by 512 resolution and 1.2 kilometers ranging distance. Autel is also making it easier for content creators, with a range of intelligent navigation and data acquisition functions, including 3D flight routes, pinpoint mode, teamwork, polygon mission, waypoint mission, and oblique photography. Dragonfish and EVO Nest infrastructure. In addition to the EVO Max 4T, Autel is also releasing the Dragonfish Nest and the EVO Nest. Dragonfish is Autel's fixed-wing aircraft, and Autel says the Dragonfish Nest is the world's first automated eVTOL support system. With a range of up to 75 miles between units, the Dragonfish Nest combines the high performance of the Dragonfish aircraft with autonomous takeoff, landing, charging, and flight missions. The Dragonfish Nest is perfect for long-range corridor inspections and large area coverage, says the press release. The EVO Nest is a base for automatic takeoff, landing, charging, and mission planning for EVO series drones. Designed for all-weather operation and easily transported in a standard pickup truck, EVO Nest paves the way for more automated operations. The EVO Nest and the Dragonfish Nest are powered by the Sky Command Center software. Autel is also releasing a range of accessories, including the Dragonfish Repeater and Autel Smart Antenna Transmission (ASAT) system.